secure cell constitutes of a cryptographic network protocol designed to enable secure communication between two systems over a network that may not be secure. This protocol is widely empowered for remote access servers and secure transmission of files between two computers. Okay, in SSH there are two main components. One is SSH client and one is SSH server. Okay. SSH is mainly used for remote online access, file transfers, and tunneling traffics. For tasks such as server maintenance, application deployment, and troubleshooting. SSH uses basically two types of authentication. One is password authentication and second is SSH key authentication. In password authentication, there are username and passwords are given for the given server, SSH server. And in SSH key authentication, a private and public keys are generated. Okay, so in key-based authentication, the client initiates SSH connections to a SSH server. Okay, then if they found matching key for for the private key and public key are matching, then the message is encrypted with the public key. Then the server sends the encrypted message to the client. Then the message is decrypted with the private key with MD5 hashes, and a successful connection is established between server and the client. Thank you.